Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel, Starseed Oracle and Healing. This is Neetu. Today I'm doing a pick a card reading to know what is the general energy for the next 3 months of 2019, that is October, November, and December. And we will see what are the major shifts, what are the major energies, what are the major events that may play out for the next 3 months, the remaining 3 months of 2019. Alright, and I have 3 piles, pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3. I'll be placing a crystal in a moment, but choose whichever pile you're most drawn to, and as usual there will be a timeline pinned in the description box so you can jump straight into your reading. Alright, in this reading I have also pulled some cards to see what are the obstacles if we may come across in the next 3 months, so that we are ready and we can maneuver through all these obstacles that may arise in the next 3 months, and we are prepared for whatever the challenges that may come. Okay, so that's that. All right, so I'll be placing a crystal and you can choose based on the crystal as well, or if you're drawn to the piles as it is, you can go ahead and select with just the pile and with no crystals on them. So I'll be placing a crystals now. Okay, so these are the 3 crystals. This is malachite, green malachite. This is a white clear crystal quartz, and this is carnelian. So choose whichever pile you are drawn to. Take a moment and select. There is no right or wrong way for selecting it, and we will see how the energies are going to act for next 3 months in your life. All right, so you can select. I'll start with group number 1, whoever I've selected this. Okay, whoever I've selected green malachite as your group, this reading is for you. Green malachite is mostly maybe you're feeling kind of lost, or your energy is getting drained. You're not sure why you feel tired. You're not sure what is going on. You feel drained very easily. All right, even with a group of people, whenever you go to parties, or when you meet a lot of people, especially in between the crowd, you feel drained very easily. All right, and also I feel that some of the people who have chosen this pile is also empaths. That is, they can recognize and understand energies wherever they go, and this crystal here is telling you to call in protection. Always protect your energy field, protect your aura, protect your subtle body, because I see you're allowing some negative energies to get into your energy field because you're not protected, and that's the reason you're feeling drained and feeling less energetic very soon. Okay, so that is what I'm getting with this crystal. So if you want to buy this, that will be really good for you. It will keep away all the negative energies, negative entities and stuff like that. So let's quickly start your reading for the next 3 months, what to expect, what's going on. Okay, so group number 1, right now you're in a state where you're unable to see things clearly. As I told you, your energy is getting drained. You're not sure what's going on. You can't see things clearly. You may feel a little fogged, and you may have gone through some hardships, or you may have been going through some hardships even right now with respect to your finances, with respect to money, with respect to something material. And also I see for some of them there is a kind of heartbreak or something which was close to your heart. You kind of you lost something and you're still not over it. All right, so that is what I'm getting right now. And the part which you have to focus for the next 3 months is not what you have lost, what is that coming ahead of you in the future, because this is you crying about the things that you have lost, but you're not seeing these two cups which are readily available for you to pick them up. It's just a matter of you turning around and seeing that there are other possibilities, there are other options. This is not the end of the world, whatever you have lost here. And next 3 months you'll be getting out of this fogged energy, this loss, this kind of sensitive state that you are going through, and you're going to get out and do something good for yourself to help you out of this situation that you are in right now. And this card is absolutely similar. This is Five of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles is about a loss in money, loss in probably a business. Maybe you lost something which was very close to your heart, something material. All right, and again there is a lot of sunshine which is coming through, but you're not opening yourself up to see that, so that you can go after what is there ahead of you. You're still in the state of crying for whatever you have lost, or you're mourning, or some sort of a bad state. You're really not going forward, and you're not ready to look at the bright future that you have. You're seeing only the part where you went through this loss, but you're failing to see what a blessing is, what it was in a disguise, because whatever is not serving you, universe will not keep that with you. Whatever is not helping you in your life, which is not helping you progress in a direction that you're supposed to go, it will be gone from your life, because universe is preparing you for the best of the best. All right, you cannot compromise on whatever the situation that you were there. It was for good. Whatever ended, whatever you have lost, it is for good. There is a message for you, and this is what you're going to understand. This is what you're going to learn in the next 3 months, and you're going to with this King of Swords, you're going to think logically. All right, King of Swords is somebody who is logical thinker. He is not going to take actions out of for the spur of the moment. He thinks through. He puts his logic. He actually thinks beyond what is seen in front of him. All right, this is going to be you. You're going to come out of this emotional state where whatever you were stuck in, and you're going to cut loose of unnecessary feelings, unnecessary worry, unnecessary people out of your life, and you're going to be absolutely out of the state, and you're going to feel absolutely good for the next 3 months. With this beautiful card, the World, it is the end. It is the end of the cycle, whatever the cycle that you have been working, that happened to you in the past. All right, that cycle has come to an end. The World is something after the lesson is learned, that cycle will end. The new chapter, the new lesson is going to start in your life in the next 3 months. So it is going to be a major event for you, where you will come out of this sad place, and you're going to feel good. You are going to take complete control and power of your power back. All right, and you will be starting a new chapter in your life, which is going to be beneficial, and which is going to be good, which is going to be absolutely the way you want your life to be, where there is no place for all this sadness, all this darkness, all this worry. It is going to be a beautiful, bright sunshine that is going to come out in the next 3 months. All right, so let's see. Right, so this is the disruption. Again, these are the cards that are going to support us or give us more information about the situation. This is the disruption that you're going through. If you can see this person here, he's all disrupted. He's right now in a chaotic state. He's not sure. As I told you, the energy, when I was holding that crystal, I saw exactly kind of disruption in your aura. All right, your energy field is kind of damaged because of all the sensitive situation that you have gone through in your life. This is you right now or in the past, or you're getting over some sort of loss, and this is you in a disrupted, helpless state. All right, your mind is not clear right now. That is one of the reason why you're losing all the energy so easily. You feel tired so easily, you feel distracted so easily, you don't have a proper focus on the things that you're doing. Sometimes you even have a problem focusing on the day-to-day work, day-to-day activity, even at workplace. All right, so this is something which you will be coming out of. This is going to be your past. All right, so you're going to be coming out of this energy in the next 3 months, because the world is a beautiful significator here, which says that whatever the disruption that you went through or you have been going through, it is going to end in the next 3 months. The next card here is moving on. What a beautiful confirmation for us. You will be moving on from all this disruption, all this loss, all this sadness that you have been carrying around for some time now. You will be moving out of the situation. You will be moving towards that light. See the darkness here. This is you taking control like a king of swords, and you're moving ahead, moving towards the light, moving towards what is bright, what is beautiful that is coming your way. So this is a beautiful thing for you in the next 3 months, and it's amazing. Solar plexus chakra. So this is something you should be focusing on this next 3 months, which is going to play a vital role. Solar plexus chakra is the third chakra, and it is all about creativity, letting yourself free, allowing yourself to go after what you want. This is the fire energy. So you'll have to let out of all the trapped emotions that you have, and you have to follow what your heart says, what your energy, what is your passion is about. You'll have to follow your passion. You'll have to follow your desires that you have in your life, and you're moving on. And solar plexus next to it, it is absolutely a confirmation that in the next 3 months you'll be coming out of all the sadness, all the pain that you have been through, and you're moving towards brightness. Again, this is all about the brightness, the sunshine. It is all emanating out, which is emanating into your life, which is bringing lot of hopes, lot of joy into your life in the next 3 months. All right, let's see anything else to add on. Wow. See, fogged in. This is exactly the word I used when I was holding the crystal. You may be feeling a light of fogged in. You are taking a time out. You are contemplating things. You are not clear on what is going on. Okay, so sorry, the candle just fell off abruptly, so I had to change it. All right, so moving on. Like just how it happened that whatever was old, it is gone. All right, something new, something fresh is going to emerge in your life this next 3 months. All right, and again, the fogged in, as I told you earlier, things are absolutely unclear for you because you're not sure what is the direction you're headed. Maybe something of what you believed did not work out the way you wanted. All right, and you are not happy about that situation, but you'll be moving on, you'll be moving ahead, you'll be moving forward towards the brightness, towards the light, towards that happiness, sunshine moments in your life in the next 3 months. All right, so the next card is infinite abundance. Abundance is pouring into your life. As I told you earlier, probably this is something about material, maybe loss of money, loss of business, or something which was very close to you. If for people who if it is about business, if it is about money, this next 3 months you can definitely see some growth. You will be coming out of all the unnecessary pain, unnecessary state of loss, which is not absolutely not necessary, and you'll be moving on, and you'll be inviting with this fresh energy, you'll be inviting infinite abundance. Whatever that you have been wanting, it is coming for you this next 3 months. All right, so abundance is pouring into your life. So this is something which you can expect in the next 3 months. You will be going towards success. You'll be going towards abundance in whichever area that you feel lost right now. There is an absolute beautiful abundant state that you'll be reaching in the next 3 months. Okay, the next card is trust. Overcoming fear, intentions, having faith. This is the moment of having faith. Your faith is being tested right now. All right, you're being tested. This is a phase of testing your faith, trusting the situation, trusting that things are going to work out. Though you can't see how the things are going to work out for you, this is the time for you to not lose faith. It is the time for you to believe that things are going to work out in your favor, and you are going to come out of this fogged energy. And that is what is exactly going to happen for you in the next 3 months. You are going to come out of this fogged energy, and you will be moving on towards abundance and all the happiness, family get-togethers, and anything that was missing out of your life for quite some time, because of all the pain and loss that you have gone through. It is going to be absolutely beautiful, and you'll be moving out of that energy. Dance with life. Absolutely do something to change your energy. Okay, dance with life. Do something to change your energy. This is absolutely necessary for you right now to change your energy, change your thoughts, change your beliefs towards your life, because right now I totally understand you can't see anything clearly. You can't see the sunshine that I'm talking to you right now. You may be thinking that it is easy to tell, but the person who is going through that will actually know what is that pain. But I totally get that. You have to shift your energy, you'll have to shift your focus, you'll have to shift your thoughts, and allow things to happen, allow things into your life which are beautiful, which are waiting to get inside of your life to bring you all that happiness. All right, so this is something that you can expect in the next 3 months of your life. All right, so the obstacles, probably these are the 2 cards that I pulled for obstacles. The first one is Knight of Swords. This is about taking actions. All right, this is about going after what you want. So this is something, as it has come as an obstacle, you'll have a hard time taking action. You'll have a hard time seeing that a light at the end of the tunnel, because right now it is fogged in. But this is an obstacle. And also the world, you will have a hard time accepting this change. You'll have a hard time accepting that there is something good, there is something bright that is waiting for you. That is a major obstacle for you that you may face in next 3 months. You'll have a difficulty accepting that things are going to be fine, because you can't see anything clearly right now. So this is something which you'll have to take care of. Whenever you have that negative thought that things are not going to work out, you'll have to keep in mind that that was an obstacle, that is an obstacle for you. So you'll have to think clearly about whatever is coming into your life. You should allow and go with the change. Do not resist this change. This change is absolutely necessary for you. This, whatever the loss was, it was necessary for your growth. All right, so that is something which you'll have to keep in mind. All right, so that's all I have for you. Yes, that's all I have for you. If you have liked the video, please like and subscribe. So see you in the next video. Bye bye. Hello, beautiful souls. So whoever have selected this clear quartz, this reading is for you. With this clear quartz, the energy that I'm getting is probably you have a hard time thinking clearly. Maybe you have lot of thoughts, the confusing thoughts. You have a hard time clearing that fogged energy in your head. You are not able to see things clearly, not able to understand what's going on with any area of your life. You are kind of seeking a clarity, and you want to clear your head. And for some of you, probably you're working on improving your health. This is a master healer. This crystal is very beneficial for healing as well. So if you have any health issues, or if you're working towards healing and working towards improving your health. That is something which you can expect in the next 3 months. You will have an improvement in your health. And if you're waiting for that clarity in your thoughts, if you have a lot of confused thoughts, confused ideas going on in your head, and you don't have a clarity right now regarding what step needs to be taken, something like that, that is something which you can expect in the next 3 months, to gain that clarity and knowing what exactly you are supposed to be doing in any given area that you are thinking about. All right, well, let's see what your cards has to say. All right, so group number 2, what I'm seeing here is the first card is Tower. So Tower, as most of you know, this is something that your beliefs, or something that was not serving you, or something that was stopping your growth, or some kind of loss that you have been through recent past or some time back. All right, this is these are the beliefs that were on a very not on a very strong foundation. This something, whatever you lost, whatever the the disruption that occurred in your life, it wasn't built on the strong foundation. It wasn't worth it. It wasn't for a long run. It would have not served you in a long time. This would have stopped you from your growth. If you're working towards spirituality, this is something which was very necessary for you to break this tower. It was necessary for you to give that jolt of energy, so that you can wake up to the reality. All right, so this is something which has happened for you in the past, and you're working your way through to come out of this moment of disruption, come out of this energy of pain, that loss, or whatever that you've been through in the past. All right, Tower moment is always about your beliefs are being questioned, or your belief somebody betrayed you, or somebody hurt you, or maybe in a relationship it could be as small as somebody hurt you with their words, or as big as somebody left you, or a breakup, or a marriage dissolution. All right, or loss in the business, or whatever you invested in, it did not turn out to be the way you wanted, and it cost you a lot of money, lot of time, lot of energy. Basically, your belief about something was shattered. All right, so that is what has happened, and you are trying hard to come out of it. I can clearly see that you don't want to stay in that energy. You want to come out of that jolt. You want to come out of whatever the disruption that has occurred, and you're working your way through to come out of that energy and start something new. In next 3 months, you'll be doing exactly that. All right, you will come out of that, whatever the tower moment that happened in your life, and you will be absolutely coming out of that with this 8 of Wands. This is a very quick energy. All right, this is almost sudden, and this energy is where you will come out of this tower moment, and you're going to take control of your life. Whatever that you lost, you will start to rebuild that. You'll rebuild it in a very strong foundation with your newfound thought, newfound energy, newfound beliefs, which are true, which are necessary. All right, this is something which was supposed to happen. Do not blame the situation. Do not blame the people involved in that situation. Do not blame even yourself for having that belief on something which was not right for you. All right, we only learn from the mistakes that we have made, right? If we have we are not God to know everything at once. We learn from our mistakes, and that is exactly that you are doing right now. And it is assured with this Empress card. It is going to be a very, very, very fertile time for you. If you want to invest on something, if you want to restart your business, if you want to join a new job, or if you're trying to have a baby, or if you want to trying to get pregnant, any of you, this is going to be absolutely a fertile time. The next 3 months you're going to reach that state where whatever you touch, whatever you do is going to be successful for you. This is going to be a very fertile time. You're going to take control of your life. You're going to come out of whatever that caused your energy, time, efforts, your belief, everything. You'll be coming out of that. All right. And you're going to gain control, like almost like overnight. You will feel like enough is enough, and you will get out of that energy, and you're going to start building whatever you lost, or whatever the faith that was shattered. You're going to get into the state where you start doing things again, and having that faith again, believing one more time that it is possible for you to do. That is exactly what you're going to do in the next 3 months. And I have a spiritual strength, and I see a lot of guides and angels who are helping you through this hard time for you. All right, you're not alone. There are a lot of healing that has occurred with these memories of love. I definitely see a passed on passed on ancestor, passed on loved ones. Somebody is with you, who is helping you, who is building your strength, who are forcing you to have faith in the situation, who are pushing you to take action, who is pushing you and motivating you to get out of that loss, get out of that state of mind, the dark state of mind. All right, so definitely I see a very strong spiritual team protecting you, guiding you, and making sure that you're out of that energy. All right, so that is something absolutely beautiful. With this clear quartz, this is a crystal which will connect us to the other realms, who have passed on. The spiritual team that we have, this crystal will help us to gain that connection with them. All right, so there is no doubt with this crystal and this reading, you are very divinely guided, and you're somebody from your ancestors or somebody passed on who is there guiding you, assisting you. And I also feel that you know that you are receiving the guidance. All right, maybe you meditate as well and you receive information from them, or if you don't meditate, you'll have to start meditating, because they want to show you the way, they want to help you at this time of loss, and they want to give you all the courage and strength and the guidance that you need at the moment. All right, so that's beautiful thing, because that is exactly what we need, the proper guidance. Okay, so the next card I have is cleansing waters. Purification activates vibrant life force. So exactly that. All right, cleansing waters is the state that you are in. You are getting out. You are healing yourself from whatever the pain that you have been through, and you're gaining control of your life. You're emerging out of whatever the darkness that you were in, and you're ready to face the world again. You are ready to bring in all the new things, fresh energy into your life. And gates of triumph, success expands in your life. Absolutely. If you are working towards a business, or if you want something that you're working on, if somebody who is going to somebody who is trying to get pregnant, it is definitely going to happen in the next 3 months. If you're waiting for the opportunities, if you have lost many opportunities, if somebody betrayed you, or you're looking for somebody, a friendship or love or something of that sort, it is coming your way in the next 3 months. All right, and it is going to be absolutely successful for you. The next thing is solitude. rest, ponder, quiet sanctuary. So this is exactly what you have been doing. Rest and rejuvenate, solitude. I think this group also involves many of the spiritually inclined people as well, who were in a kind of solitude. Maybe something disrupted and jolted them to awaken to what is real, and they are taking their spiritual path as well. All right, so this solitude is bringing a lot of knowledge. Solitude about seeking being you want to be alone right now. You don't feel like meeting a lot of people. You want to be alone. You're searching for answers. You're searching for clarity. You want to go forward. And if you're doing that, if you're working towards spirituality, you are going to be successful. You're going to receive a lot of downloads with all the ancestor cards. You are going to receive a lot of downloads, lots of information which will lead you to success in the next 3 months. Wow. Transformation. Things are changing at a cellular level. Deep healing. Absolutely yes. And I definitely see the chances of the spiritual inclined people who have chosen this group. The transformation is occurring in a cellular level. All right, the transformation is not just physical. It is not just mentally happening. They are healing you in a cellular level. Okay, and this card is a confirmation that things are changing at a cellular level. Deep healing. Your angels, your guides, and your ancestors are helping you heal at a cellular level, so that you can bring in a brand new, fresh energy into your life, which is going to be beneficial, which is going to be strong, and you're going to emerge into that place of positivity, that brightness, that sunshine that you are waiting for in your life. All right, that's a beautiful thing. As we are talking about sunshine, I have the card, the sun. All right, so this 2 cards that I pulled to see what are the obstacles that we may have to see in the next 3 months. So sun card being an obstacle, what I see is probably you'll have a hard time believing or seeing that light at the end of the tunnel right now, because you are in a state of solitude. You are in a state of still gaining information, gaining wisdom, and taking action, and going towards whatever you want. Probably you will have a hard time to believe and accept that there is the light at the end of the tunnel, because you can't see it right now. But this card is telling that there is, and you will have to believe. That will be an obstacle for you. Just keep in mind that you will have to believe that things are going to work out. Things are going to be absolutely fine. This is you after this cellular healing at the cellular level. This is you emerging out successfully. All right, as it is an obstacle card in the reading, so this is you having doubts about whether it is possible for you to achieve. All right, so keep in mind that one. And the second card is Queen of Swords, and this is again a obstacle card for this group. Queen of Swords is about having a difficulty. Queen of Swords is actually who is absolutely straightforward, who will cut any cords that is unnecessary in life, which is not serving her. She will not take any sort of nonsense from anybody. She will just talk her truth. All right, she will just express whatever she believes is true, and she will go after it. Right, she will just clearly tell her intentions. So since this is an obstacle card, you will have a difficulty expressing yourself. You will have a difficulty to cut people off, cut situation off, cut anything that is unnecessary for you in your life to go forward. All right, so that is something which you have to keep in mind. You will have to cut anything that is unnecessary going on in your life, which is not serving you, which is stopping you from going forward. All right, so that is something you will have to keep in mind, because these two are beautiful card in its own. Since it is an obstacle card, you will have to see to it that you are seeing things clearly and cutting all nonsense out of your life. All right, okay, group number 2. So that's all I have for you. If you have liked the video, please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye. Okay, group number 3, whoever have selected carnelian. So this reading is for you. With this carnelian crystal, what I see is you don't have a sense of probably you don't have a sense of security in your environment. Probably you lack security, or you don't feel secure in work or at home, or financial disturbances or something of that sort. You are not materially satisfied. Maybe you are not earning the kind of money that you deserve, or which is giving you a sense of insecurity in life, right? And also could be a problem in relationship. You don't have a sense of security, or you feel very insecure being yourself, and something of that sort. That is the energy I'm getting with this. Okay, basically you are not very comfortable being you. You are not very comfortable expressing yourself, or you feel that people don't understand you, or people don't listen to you. Something of that sort. Let's see what your cards has to say. Okay, so group number 3 with this cards, first thing is I have two cards which shows me that you are trying to move on from some sort of situation or something that was not serving you, which was making you really unhappy, or a situation where which was holding you hostile in some way. All right, and you were not feeling happy, you were very uncomfortable with that situation, right, for some of you, and you kind of felt that the people involved were trying to control you, trying to dominate you, or trying to get their way with you at work or in the family as well. All right, so and you are really not happy about that situation, and you're trying to move on, and you want to start fresh, right? And you are kind of feeling discontentment with the situation, discontentment with maybe family as well, right? So you are in that state of moving on, you are in that state of gaining control, you are in that state of coming out of some sort of situation, people, relationship, work. It could be work as well. Maybe people were very dominating or not helping you, or as I told you, maybe they were not listening to your thoughts, your ideas. Maybe you don't feel secured in the place or where you work, or even within the family, within the friendship, or see however it resonates. So the situation is something like that, and in next 3 months you will be successfully moving on, moving away from anything that wasn't serving you, which was holding you victim. Yes, victim is the word that I was trying to tell, right? So which was trying to keep you trapped. You felt a kind of victim, you felt insecure about that situation, place, people, relationship, or at work, right? And you were trying to find that stability, and you are working towards getting out of that. You are working towards finding that confidence, you are working towards finding that hope, lost hope, and you're trying to find it within yourself. Or if you are trying to find it with someone else, or if you're trying that people will come and help you to feel you make you feel confident or give you hope, that is not going to happen. So the message for you for the next 3 months is you will have to gain control of the situation, walk away from people, situation, or whatever the scenario it is that is not serving you, that is keeping you victim, keeping you in the trapped fear, and you will be moving on, you will be moving out from that hostile situation, and you're going to find your strength. So you will find that strength within yourself. You're not going to find it in anybody else's help, anybody else's motivation or something like that. You will find it within yourself. This is in your hand, right? This hope, if you can see, this person is holding in his hand. This hope is, whatever it is, this energy is within yourself. This is you manifesting that energy, manifesting that courage for you to move on from this hostile situation, moving away from all this hostile situation, moving away towards the clear waters now, right? So that is exactly what you'll be doing in the next 3 months. You'll be gaining control over that situation. You will understand that it is not necessary for you to be victim of somebody else's kind of nonsense. It is not necessary. You will be getting out of the situation. You will be feeling that you are in control. Maybe you have a lot of fear, anxiety as well. I see some of you, maybe you also feel that you are getting into a depression with all these problems, right? But in the next 3 months, you'll be moving away from whatever that is not serving you, and you are going to be in a very good state in next 3 months. And I'm really glad I'm giving you this reading and telling you that it is going to be all right in next 3 months. We need such confirmation at times for us to move on, right? I'm so happy if whoever is listening to that, and if it is resonating with you, I'm really happy for you for taking that stand and moving on from whatever that is not serving you. And the next cards that I have, right, we from above, get the big picture. Of course, that is exactly what I'm telling you. You will be seeing the bigger picture. You're going to gain the control of the situation. You will realize that it is not necessary for you to stay in that hostile environment anymore. It is, you have that strength and courage to move on to a better place, and you don't need anybody's permission to do that. You are in charge, you are in control. This is exactly what you're going to realize. This is exactly what you're going to work on, and this is exactly what you're going to do in the next 3 months, and move away from whatever is not serving you. And if you're worried that will I be stuck here, here is the confirmation. You will be reaching your destination. Your light is shining brightly. You will be reaching the destination wherever you are headed. I have 2 cards which shows, if you can see, this person is walking away from whatever is not necessary. And again here, 6 of swords, walking away or moving away from what is not serving, from moving away to the calm waters, moving away from whatever was hostile. So this is exactly you reaching to your destination. All right, so that is absolutely going to happen in the next 3 months. Wow. Direction, navigation, guidance, and signs. You will be shown the way. You will be given information. You will be given the direction from your angels, from your guides. Just look for signs. Look for the guidance. They are going to give you guidance. You will know exactly what you're supposed to be doing. They will help you to reach your destination. All right. It is just a matter of you deciding and taking that courageous step towards moving away. The direction, the path, the destination, everything will be clear, and you will be headed to the right direction where you will be control of your situation. Serenity, compassion, acceptance, contentment. This is exactly what you're going to feel in next 3 months once you take that journey towards walking away from that is not serving you. You will be in the state of serenity where you accept and being content with your situation. This is you gaining control and being happy, being independent, being bringing that joy to this world and bringing joy into your life, especially which was lost for a long time because of all the hostile or unnecessary situation that you were feeling stuck in. So that is going to come help you out. That is going to go away. That is going to be your past energy very soon. This is your future. Serenity, direction, hope. You are headed in the right direction, and with this card you will be reaching the destination very soon, right? So that is going to happen. The next card is Sisterhood of the Rose, beauty and devotion, priestess, mystic, teacher. With this card I sense that maybe somebody, maybe your sister, or maybe a feminine energy, maybe a friend of yours, or somebody with the feminine characteristics, somebody is going to stand next to you and they are going to help you to move forward. They are going to give you that courage, that strength for you to move forward. This could also be your angels and guides, a very strong feminine energy that is coming through, which is going to guide you and take you forward. All right, maybe you are taking up spiritual courses or some sort of teacher, some guide. You will find somebody who will direct you towards your path. They will direct you to open your heart to the new possibilities, the new way of thinking, changing your perspective. All right, so that you can expect in next 3 months to happen, and you'll be going away or moving away from that unwanted situation one step at a time. All right, you will be feeling empowered, you will be feeling absolutely in control, you will be feeling great and happy, and I am lack of words because I am so happy and excited for you right now. Okay, so that is something which is going to happen for you in the next 3 months. And I have 2 cards which will tell us what might be the obstacles in your path. So the first thing is Two of Pentacles. With this Two of Pentacles, you will have a lot of things that you have to deal with. All right, you will have a problem balancing your life. You'll have a problem taking decisions. Maybe you'll have a problem, maybe you are stuck in a sort of work. Maybe you'll have to take care of your family, your work at the same time, and there is going to be a lot of obstacle, and it will force you and take you away from your actual direction. All right, that is something you will have to keep in mind. Make sure that you will have a focused attention towards what you desire for you to bring forth exactly that into your life. The next card is again with the balance. Okay, so I see a sense of imbalance that may happen in your life. Maybe you'll have a difficulty juggling lot of work, lot of ideas, lot of thoughts, or lot of work at the workplace, or something is forcing you to go out of balance, right? And you will lose a sense of control, you lose a sense of what you exactly want, and you will be again forced in that dominant situation. People will continue to dominate you, and you feel that you have no power, right? You will be in that situation time and again. That is going to be a major obstacle for you to believe that it is not necessary for you to be in such a situation. All right, you gaining control, you believing that will be a major obstacle for you. All right, so that is something you will have to make sure, because all the beautiful things are there. That is going to happen once you gain control of the situation, once you find that balance. All right, and also another message that I'm getting right now from your guides and angels is, do not put in or invest lot of energy on people which is not worth it. I don't know how it is going to resonate with you, or with any one of you, or all of you. I don't know how it is going to help, but this is something which I'm hearing very strongly. Do not give away your power to somebody, and do not invest too much of energy on somebody who are not worth it. All right, you have to recognize who it is and act towards that. All right, so I hope it helped you in some way. So if you have liked the video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.